What's up YouTube? I'm back with another weekly vlog. So in case you have been following up the last video, we took 2 trades last week. One was a loss and the other one I think we are still in profit. So I'm going to be updating you guys. In case you are seeing me for the first time, my name is Saliimmz and I'm documenting my trading journey here on YouTube. I'm trying to get funded right now, so if you're interested in this, click the subscribe button and enjoy the video. Let's go. So today is Sunday and right now it's time is, what's the time? The time is 1:39 p.m. So I'm going to be showing you guys the trades I'm going to be interested in for this week. So currently, this is the trade of last week. In case you watched the last video that I posted, we were here now, and I was like, I'm going to be updating you guys on this trade this week. So today is Sunday, our market is closed, so nothing really going on. Tomorrow, if you end up hitting take profit or SL, I'm going to be updating you guys on this trade. Now moving on to NZD USD, and this is my number one pair for this week. I'm just waiting for price to pull up to this zone, get a bearish engulfing, and then we sell. Very simple, clean 1:3 risk to reward. So Euro card, same thing. On Euro card, I'm waiting to sell also. I'm waiting for price to shift structure to the downside, and then we sell. GBP AUD. GBP AUD, this pair was one of the pair I was interested in for last week, but it didn't really come all the way to this zone, so I never took the trade. But this week, this is also one of the pairs I'm going to be taking. I'm just waiting for price to pull up, to pull down to this zone, get a shift of structure to the upside, and then we buy. So right now, this is all I'm going to be updating you guys on. Tomorrow, Monday, if I take a trade, I'm going to be showing you guys. So alright guys, trade update. So I've been busy today, I've not gotten time to actually record. So right now, let me just update you guys on the trade. So currently, this is how we're going. So we're almost at our stop loss level, but I'm still holding. I'm not going to exit this trade till we hit our stop loss or our take profit. But currently for this week, this is the trade I'm interested in. NZD USD. Yeah. So this is the trade I'm interested in on NZD USD. So I'm trying to sell from this area. So by tomorrow, this is 11:27 p.m. So by tomorrow morning, which is Tuesday, I'm going to look to enter this trade. Exactly. So by tomorrow, I'm going to see the price action here. Probably I'll be expecting price to pull up to the zone, get a bearish engulfing, and then we sell. So basically that's it for now. So see you guys tomorrow. Alright guys, trade update. So I'm currently on this NZD USD trade. What's the time? It's 8:54 a.m. on Tuesday. So I just got in on this NZD USD trade. So, and also update on this CHF-JPY trade. This is it. So currently we are still in Jordan on this trade, but for some weird reason we got stopped out on this trade on the PROPFIRM. So I really don't know. I think it was spare or something, because it has not actually come all the way to my stop loss. But I'm still on this trade on my personal account, but on my PROPFIRM account, this trade has been closed in a loss. So currently I'm on this trade on the PROPFIRM. I'm posting the screen record of the trade on my screen. So let's see how this trade goes. I'll update you guys on whatever happened in this trade, so stay tuned and enjoy the video. Alright guys, so trade update. Currently this trade on CHF-JPY, I'm thinking about closing it right now. Maybe when price comes to this zone, I'll be closing this trade because it has been consolidating since last week. So I'm going to be closing this trade on my personal accounts probably tonight or tomorrow morning. And then updates on the trade I took for this week, which is NZD USD. So as you can see, generally this trade, I wanted to actually close the trade also, because I realized that I was not actually following my plan when I took this trade. So I wanted to close it, but I'm just gonna sit and forget. But the trade I'm going to be interested in taking tomorrow morning will be card JPY, which is this. So this fits all my plan and everything. So I'm going to be taking this trade tomorrow morning if I see my entry setup. So that's gonna be it. And NZD-USD, this is our first trade for this week, so I'm just gonna keep holding this one, I guess. But I'm closing CHF JPY. I have to close this one because I've been holding this for way too long. I'm gonna have to close it. So that's gonna be it for today, which is Tuesday. I'll be updating you guys on whatever happens tomorrow morning, which is Wednesday. So see you guys.
A few moments
Alright,
later.
guys, so our trade has actually hit stop loss, the NZD-USD trade. So as I said earlier, this was actually expected because I was not actually following my trading rules. So I will take full responsibility of this. And to make things worse, remember earlier this morning, our trade was actually closed on this pair, maybe due to spread. So that means we lost 2% here and also 2% on NZD-USD, which is 4%. And the daily drawdown for the account is actually 4%. So we lost the 15K right now. So currently, I still have a 10K account, which I'm actually trading. I took this gold trade on it. So for now, I only have the 10K. I only have the 10K PROPFIRM to trade and my personal account. So I'm just gonna keep trading that and see what happens. As for tomorrow morning, I'll be looking to take this trade, which will be our last trade for this week. I only trade 2 times a week in a week. That's if I even see the setup. So if I see my entry criteria here tomorrow morning, I'll be going in for this buy on my personal account and also my 10K account with good funded. So I'll keep you guys updated. Guys, trade updates. It's 5:42 p.m. on Wednesday. So remember the trade I said I was going to update you guys on, which is on card JPY. So let me show you. So currently I was interested in taking this trade in the morning, but I don't think I'm interested in this anymore because the structure was bearish at first. As you can see, we're creating lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower high, and then higher low. We broke the structure, meaning this has become a resistance. So I wanted price to retest this zone and then we go up. But currently we have broken this recent low. Let me just draw it. We have broken this recent low, so we are currently bearish. So I still have to wait for this to shift bearish before I take this trade. But now I'm interested in taking this CHF JPY. So currently I'm waiting for price to pull down to this area, get a bullish engulfing to go for a buy. And then GBP AUD. Yeah, for GBP AUD, we're here. So I'm expecting price to just shift structure to the upside and then buy. So today is Wednesday. We only have we only have Thursday and Friday for me to take a trade. I most likely won't even take a trade on Friday. So basically, I think I'm going to be waiting for CHF JPY this trade. So if I end up taking this trade, this will be our second trade of the week, and I'll have to see what happens, whether we hit SL or stop loss. So whatever happens, this will be the last trade I take for the week. So I'll be updating you guys tomorrow or probably in the night if I end up taking the trade, because right now it's 5 p.m. So I don't know whether this setup will be ready today, but whatever happens, I'm gonna update you guys. So stay tuned. Good morning, guys. So trade update. Currently it's 8:43 a.m. and I'm currently in a trade right now. Let me show you guys. So currently we're in this CHF JPY. We're in a buy. Remember yesterday I said I was waiting for price to pull back to this zone, this area of interest right now, right here, get a bullish engulfing, and we go in. That was exactly what happened, and I took the trade. So apart from that, we're also on this gold trade, but I've been on this trade since last week on my 10K account. If you can remember, so we have been on this gold buy since last week on my 10K account. So I'm risking 1% on gold here and also 2% on CHF on my what do you call it, PROPFIRM account, on my PROPFIRM account. So come on, yeah. So I'm gonna be updating you guys on whatever happens with this trade. So stay tuned.
Market structure, trust me, that's a part of my chart. Tell me you just don't see so much more by just simply taking out that bit of money.
I wanna tell you how I feel when I'm loaded. I'll lay something down for you. I'll clear the whole town for you. Spray the whole 100 round for you. Twisting all my fingers for my dog. You my treacherous little twin, and you know that we locked in, and I love you like my kin. It's whatever for you. I go up and down that road, I go anywhere you go. When you tell me life is good, I want better for you.
So good news. So actually I'm just working on it right now, and I received this notification. I'll post the screenshot here. So apparently I just passed phase 1 of the GFT 10K account. So let me just explain to you guys. So as you can see here, you have met the total the target balance, which is 4%. So this is the 10K account. I'm actually up 5% on this account here. So I actually thought this account was gonna be, I thought I was supposed to make 8% to pass phase 1, but it's actually 4%. So remember how I got my 15K account? So when I got the account with GFT, they actually gave me a 10K account. It's like a pay later account. You get the account now and then you pay later. So this account, apparently, to pass phase 1, you only need to make 4%, and I made 5%. So they just sent me an email saying that they're gonna review my account, and after 2 days. But anyways, though, I'll keep updating you guys on the trade. So currently, let me just update you guys on the trade. Currently, this is how I'm looking on CHF we are here. This zone is a really strong zone of resistance, so let's see gold. For gold also, wait, actually I've closed this trade on gold because I only took this trade on my funded account, so I've closed this trade on my funded account. I'll post the screenshot here. So apparently right now I'm only on CHF trade on my personal accounts, so I'll keep you guys updated. Alright guys, so trade update. So we just hit TP on this CHF trade. I'm gonna post the PNL somewhere around the screen. So what's today's date? It's 2:37 p.m. on Friday. So this is gonna be our last trade for the week. So this week we took 2 trades, one on NZD, which we lost obviously, and then CHF which we got I think 1:2.5. So it was a profitable week. So concerning the PROPFIRM accounts, I still have not gotten the phase 2 account yet, but they said it's gonna take 2 business days. So today is Friday, which is 1 business day. So by Monday, I should be getting my phase 2 account and my phase 1 certificate. So if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button and also like, comment, and share if you're enjoying this vlog. So next week I'm going to update you guys if we end up getting the phase 2 account and if we end up passing the phase 2 next week, and then we become on head. So stay tuned guys and enjoy the rest of the week.